This road I'm on, well, it's ever winding.
It's a bad break when you get fired. It's some tough luck at the worst time, and you don't understand. You're asking God why. It's a good cast and a broken line, and it's the hard days that make it all worthwhile. One day you're gonna look back and smile. Just keep on moving, and you'll make it to the other side. It's a rainy day, a catastrophe, trials, tribulations, and suffering. You're afflicted too, I know. I'm not alone, just keep your head up. This ain't the end, it's just a bump in the road. And it's the hard days, make it all worthwhile. One day you're gonna look back and smile. Just keep on moving, and you'll make it to the other side. It's a long day and a flat tire. When she leaves you there, sitting high and dry, and moving on, it's the hardest part. Wandering around in the dark. It's the hard days, make it all worthwhile. One day you're gonna look back and smile. Just keep on moving, and you'll make it to the other side. It's a rainy day